Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012-2018 and we'll show you if your door lock switch does not work, which fuse to check, guys. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, guys, on our channel. We'll be uploading videos all the time, so please subscribe, guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos and teach you how to fix your car. So if your door lock switch does not work for your Ford Focus, guys, okay, I'm talking about this one here. You have another fuse for the central locking, but this is just for the switch. We'll show you, okay, which fuse to check. You need to go to the passenger side and the fuses are right behind the glove box. In our case, we remove the glove box. Okay, let me show you. So we can gain more room and show you where exactly the fuses are. You do not have to remove the glove box. If you want to see the video, it's on the channel. The only thing that you need to do is you need to remove that cover here. Okay, press here on both sides, pull down, and you can pull that cover out. Those are the fuses, guys, and the BCM module. Now, next to each fuse on the top right corner there is a number, and in our case we need to check a 15 amp fuse and it's number 79. Okay, so it's this one right here. Go ahead. Okay, let me pull this thing out. Perfect. Now, all the tools and parts, including these fuses that we got for unbelievable deal, guys. We got a really good deal on those. Will be listed in the description of the video below. So we'll get another 15 amp fuse and see how easy those things are to see on the inside compared to the old ones, because they're clear, and we'll replace that fuse. So hopefully, guys, that fixes your problem. If not, there is more fuses for the central locking system. Check them out. Okay, the videos are on the channel. So thank you for watching and see you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.